Hello everyone, welcome to Abhi's Guide. Traffic light, fancy dress competition speech. Traffic signal, fancy dress speech. Good morning everyone. I am a traffic light. I stand tall and bright. I have three colors: red, yellow, and green. Red means stop, yellow means get ready, wait. Green means go. Everyone must follow my rules. Respect me because someone is waiting for you at home. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.